She was on that one.
Come here, Al. Good girl.
She's got one. Right here. Huh?
Why didn't you shoot?
Because he was going that way. I thought you were going to shoot.
Okay. I was trying to wait for you.
No, it's all right. Don't wait. She was pointing at bird.
Does she not have him?
Yeah, she's got him. He's flopping around. Let me see. Bring him here. Uncle Bob only winged him. He didn't kill him dead.
I had a shot about 5 yards.
Heel. Hold.
Dude, that's why
Heel.
I told you guys.
Heel.
I was hoping that you guys were going to come over into the better grass.
Give.
We like.
Go throw him up in the air again for Jim. It's a young one. That was our guy. That was our guy. Did you get your gun up?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know if you were going to shoot. I was like, waiting. Well, the problem is you just never know where they are, you know? You see her stop? She was on him back there. That's what's cool. Come here. Heel. 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 You don't know. I would stay on it.
Way to go, Ethan.
Why don't you just follow her and see where we end up? Yeah. She's on something. Jim!
Oh, nicked him. Well, that was him. I had that shot.
Good try.
It was right there.
That's all right. That's all right.
Hold on, I'm watching it still.
Where's he going, Jim? Or
He's aiming right for that barn beyond the way. I don't know if he stayed on the property or off.
I saw she was birdie. I was trying to get you guys to move up faster because she didn't want to stop. She was on that bird back here. Come here. Hold. Hold. Heel. Heel. Sit. Sit. Hold. He's not happy about that. I think he was, yeah, both his legs are good, so. He's got a lot of life in him, so she ran him down. See that? It's you! Nice, Jim!
God, that scared the shit out of me. That bird was so low, I could see the dog in it.
It's alright, you're plenty high enough though.
Yeah.
Did you see her getting birdie again?
Yeah, I saw it.
I think you hit him pretty good. I can hear she's got it.
Just wait there though, because there may be more birds.
Bring that stinky son of a bitch to Jim. Just call her, Jim. Just say come. Just tell her to come. Just keep telling her to come.
Ellie, come. Ellie, come. Ellie, come on. Ooh, and I got something for you. When you bring me that bird, come on, Ellie. Ellie, come.
Hold.
Come on.
Tell her to hold.
Hold. Hold. Sit.
Nice shot, Jim.
Ellie, come here. Come here, girl. Here, good girl. Good girl, Jay. Nice. Go get it, Ellie. Don't worry, Ellie won't fight you. You ever get that one?
Yeah.
Good.
He's a good shooter.
He was back right behind me and you. He was behind you and I, though.
Yes, he was. Which goes to show you what?
Slow down. Thank you. Good girl.
Good girl, Alice. It's up to you. There it is. He thought she was screwing with you. I think that bird was on the move the whole time. She's like, there he is. Yeah, you guys go ahead and pivot. You found him, Alice. You're chasing that one for a little bit, huh?
Where's Ellie over there by JR?
Want some water?
Where'd that last rooster go? Down it?
Right there. Come here.
Damn it.
Come here. I didn't shoot. I was going to shoot. I'm like, I'm not shooting. I'll wait. I'll let him go.
It was late.
Yeah. Well, what does that tell you? There's more, right? I know, we missed. I'm sorry. Here, you want some water?
Rooster. Yeah, Jay. Big rooster.
One more. He's hit. He's hit. We got a runner. Come on, Else. Come on, Else. That bird running? Yeah, line up. Get him up, Else. Which way is the wind blowing? Dead bird, Else, come on.
More than one bird in there. That bird was right in this line here.
Right here, okay.
Well, then it's up where she is. Okay. That's the spot.
She's on it. She's on it. Get him up, Else. Get him, Else. Dead bird. Dead bird, Else.
I didn't want to walk into the area,
Dead bird, Else.
but it's straight in line with me.
Dead bird, Else. Atta girl. There he is. Get him, Else.
Go get him.
Yeah, now she's on the other side. Hey, come on. Come. That'd be great. Come on. She's on something over there. She's moving something around over there.
Yeah.
There it is.
Rooster.
Is it a rooster?
I think so.
The way it's, yeah. Come on.
I couldn't tell. No.
That looked like a hen. He didn't cackle.
Boy.
I think it was a hen.
And that one was probably in the headset the whole time.
Yeah, that's why she was getting all goofy.